Other comrades at their table. Comrade workers near and far. Mount Salem people. Good night. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to represent you. You know I'll represent you well. May I ask the selector to play the tune, my leader Barney. Because I Salem I'm born and grow. I've been given so many opportunities to become a man. I've been given so many opportunities to become the person who I am today. The person who not just Mount Salem look up to, and not just Jamaica, but the entire world. I've advised the economic policies of many countries across the world, help them get them economy in order. But the place where I come from in a turmoil, the place where I come from congested by Zozo, congested by misguided young people who never really understand their purpose. But tonight I'm here to talk to you about your purpose. Now, a rat was on a farm, and the farmer buy a rat trap. I want to listen keenly, because this is about us. When the farmer buy the rat trap, the rat go to the cow, the goat, the pig, the horse, the donkey. The farmer buy a rat trap for get rid of me and help me, please. Please, Mr. Chicken, help me. Please, Mr. Goat, help me. Mr. Pig, help me. Farmer buy a rat trap for get rid of me. He no value me, because I'm a rat. Anyway, one night, the farmer and his family in a place asleep, and the farmer wife hear the rat trap like, blip, blip, run, go downstairs. Light turn off, you know, asleep, grab up the rat trap. When them turn on the light and the rat is a snake, the snake end up sting her. Life is a story, it's a process. It's not a simple, static thing. Otherwise, all I would have just live for one day. But because God knows, say, we have to go through trials, tribulation before we figure out who we are and who we are supposed to become. As a people, we have to go through troubles and trials and test it before we can see the victory. We have to go through the trials and tribulation and get tested before we can see the victory. Anyway, the snake end up stinging the farmer wife, and she have to go to the hospital, you know, a snake venom. So she gets sick. When she gets sick, the first thing that I chicken them, because you don't know, she have to get chicken soup, lunch. Nurse them, doctor them have to get pay. The farmer have to kill the cow them. The doctor them have to get pay, the farmer have to sell the horse, the donkey. The woman end up there, don't know what sting she get, snake. So the farmer have to end up bury her. When the farmer bury her, the farmer have to kill the pig and kill the rest of cows. When you look at the lady funeral, who left? The farmer and the rat. So Mount Salem people of the wider Montego Bay, don't worry about the pressure and the oppression of our commander. Don't worry about the police them. At the end of the day, Salem people will be standing tall. Every time. Because between me and you, dead serious, I saw them look upon me like a rat. Them see the place as a bird bush where them come, hunt, and go back home. That's where you see them come, them sell the hotel land, them sell the beach, them sell all of the prime land, them and give a stone for live. Everybody I make a profit and we are earn less than minimum wage. Everybody have opportunity, but we have none. The entire Montego Bay born a Mount Salem, and not just me one. The entire Montego Bay a leader, and not just me one. So when you hear the tune, my leader born here, I know myself I talk about. I talk about each and every individual who is standing here tonight, because you are also leaders. You have the capability to represent yourself and come together and make sure say what is needed to be done in Mount Salem gets done, and we can live in peace and harmony, earning the potential that we need. We come with the slogan, fresh mind and new ideas, because at 20 years now, I left Salem. And when I come to Salem, I see Salem, I see. When I go to England, when I left 20 years and go back, I can't recognize the place. I see all the elevator talk. I see street light walk. So the place has evolved. The place has evolved. I make so much of we envy and want to go foreign and we want to get so. We see something on TV and some life where we want to live. But we have the ability to live that life. But we can't live in a war against one another. We have to live it in a unity, people. We can't live certain life in a turmoil. When I grew up, still in my nicest community in a whole of Bay. When I say, man, it's the nicest community in a whole of Bay. Liquor boy, them I can't believe. He said they make $2, them a turn big money, man, them buy gonna shoot off of them one another. Now you tell me now, that makes sense? That makes sense? How that go profit to the youth them? One in a war, 2 men in a war, and I put them in the same class. That means a little girl will come and say, you know, say my father say you want to kill your father. You know, say my father say you want to kill your father. But you don't kill no one and you put them a friend. One family, man. Walk through the whole of Salem, the amount of love, man, and appreciation and me get, man. Why? Because enough people appreciate the process that I've gone through. Granny said me enough to dirty up my finger. It's not like I couldn't do certain things. It's not like me never exposed to certain things. But when I grow up, I see some real bad man. And I know them and I see what they go through. The first thing I do, I look for where they end up. The first thing I do, I look for where they end up. So I say, but this man is bad one. But I don't really too say with this badness. This man is school. And I don't see where. It don't work out. So what I do? I say, you know, I say, alright. Then look up to that, the man that I'm a bad man. And look up to that, the man that I'm a done. But at the same time, I have to look and think long term. So I say, when I 20, what am I going to do? When I 25, when I 30, what am I going to do? So I say, you know, so I'm going to take the school thing serious, because it's necessary. Salem people, them depend upon it. Montego Bay depend upon it. Jamaica depend upon it. And now the whole world depend upon it. Salem still in a turmoil. So every time I go out in our world, I solve a problem for a country. I solve a problem for a set of people. But my yard where I come from still in a turmoil. I never have to come back. People say, youth, where you go back to Jamaica, go do you idiot? Where you go back to Salem, go do you idiot? And I see people, them kill off them one another dog. I kill him and them will kill you. And I said, General, no man. I go back to Salem, go reason with the youth them. Go reason with the teacher them, reason with the elder them, reason with the mother them, reason with the father them, for show them a better way. Me only can live my life. And however I live from now on, my life will always be my life. But each and every one of us here tonight have to live your own life. Each and every one, because we don't live for life already, you know. We don't enjoy for life already. So who we are live for? The youth them we are live for. What kind of example we go set for the decent young men and young women, the decent boys and every man I say bring them picnic come. We want to be like Sheets. Why? Because Sheets understand what go on. Sheets take education serious. Sheets studying book. Sheets balancing life. At that moment for all the Salem people, them we are kings and queen all the way. All I know are king and queen. At that moment to remember and head, that means that when you not behave, when you not move, when you not act, when you not walk, when you not talk like royalty. What make you think we go through so much trial and tribulation? When you not read in the Bible and then we them and we are lost people them. How we govern the earth. So at that time now we have to behave in that way there. I don't depend on number of gimmicks and a number of laughing and I have to talk to you serious because I have to get serious the world of change. We're far behind. We're far behind, but we can catch up. We can catch up. That's why I have the slogan, fresh mind, new ideas. Not for where they are now work and then where them money. See me? So I talk to some people to get some work from home programs to come in and see them. The same taxi want to take, go to a free zone and go talk on a telephone. The telephone can be on the yard, you can talk on the same way. Hello, hi, how are you? Customer service and make money on the yard. At them type of style we are coming and see them with. See it there? We there and say we want some night football from when night football are playing now wood everywhere. But Salem people them not get it. We lobby for some night football, man. Organize and when we come with the jersey, them and the ball, them and ray. One man bring one light, and next man bring a next light, and next man Fox bring some light. And the whole of Salem get to enjoy themselves. People come out and we have night activities. You don't know who love, we can see that all year round. Them things that can happen all year round. When me I grow, Salem are the nicest community. I don't know where them little boy I come from and I disrespect the order. I disrespect the elder them and I disrespect their mother teachings. We have to go put a stop into that. We have to go put a stop into that. I don't understand the situation, you know. I'm showing nothing. You know, I study at university, I think what they call economics. So I'm teaching about economics now. You see, in economics, we break down the world into just three set of people. The household, where you live, what we call the yard, them, the household. Firms and companies, which are where you go work, like the hotel and the supermarket and the shop. And then the third set of people are the government. Now, you know, sell your labor to the firm and get what they call wages. The pay want to get a week time. The pay want to get on a light bill of 10,000, on a phone bill of 5,000, rent of 20,000, and I get 20,000 for a month. It don't make no sense. So my job is to make sure, say, what we do? Look there, helicopter. When me I grow, we not grow, so. When me see helicopter over hospital, it carry sick people, and we run go over there because we're excited to see it. When me say, no helicopter survey the place whole time, every day, every night. You know, intimidated. Why? Because a few man feel say, alright, they want to make a money and buy some gun and start shoot off for them one another. When me see them, I feel say, we go fix the place. Build up a whole of Sandfield, turn in a stadium. Build up a whole of courts, turn in a milli stadium. We can play hockey. We can play volleyball, we can play netball, we can play some whole heap of foreign sports, gymnastics, the little girl them. I see a little girl come up and do some ballet dancing, man, it make my heart feel good. Salem is a model city. Salem are the smartest people them in Jamaica, children don't know. The people them are in our world respect Mount Salem so much, but Mount Salem have to respect itself. I go buy a cash party to one of my brethren them. See, him born a particular day. Him buy the number side of the day when him born and some other number. Guess which number play? Him birthday. He nearly dead and his money done. It don't make no sense. You can't bet against yourself and lose. You have to bet for yourself and win. See them people them. You don't have to bet on yourself. When you see me on the stage, I represent me and yourself. You cannot bet against yourself and lose. You have to bet against yourself and win. And when the winnings and not me win, it's a victory for Mount Salem. Because at that point in time, Mount Salem go get back control over itself. I cut and left me yard and give. When I live there, I give them it for run. They don't understand me yard. Them start wash clothes in my kitchen sink. Start cooking in my bathroom. Cause I know they didn't come from. Then left the door open. Goat start coming to a place. Cows start coming to a place. I don't feed them place. They don't live there. They're not responsible. They just have a free time. If you have somebody who not come from your yard or run your yard or mash up. You have to have somebody who come from your yard. That means that him care about the place. So when he wake up a morning, he make sure he plate them wash up. He get a map and map out the place. He might look upon the place and I say, no, say that window they kind of set away. I go call a mace if I can dig out the place and make the window look good. He start sweep up the yard and plow up the yard and start plant some a fruit tree. Because for him place, him plan to live there 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. And when he gone and dead, he knows some pitney them go inherit the place. So he knows some pitney them will benefit from it. Now where some people come from? Westmoreland and Albout and some place. What kind of rights them over Salem? What kind of concern them over Salem? So guess what they do now? Send police go over there, go intimidate them boy them man. Zo man. All of them Salem people, them are PNP people them. Nah man, what take away all of them rights? Boy, who you? Go up in a jeep, hospital, police station. I don't like the type of life where I live you with. Every time I come and see them a problem, man. Police and soldiers do some bag of nonsense when unnecessary. Salem people them go through too much what we not deserve. Salem people them we are go through something, man, where we not deserve. The world will change, and we go change the world. We know all of that, man. I see them conference with them, man. The whole place has changed. Remember, say, when I say Salem, I mean the division Salem. I don't mean Salem alone as in Mount Salem. Talk to people. I don't want to fret. We have a plan for you, too, man. We have a plan for you. I in a government. I can't fix no road. What do you want? Like what, sir? Yeah, man. Remember, say, me no councillor, me a MP princess. Me fix countries. You know how much country me fix? So you not gonna really take no time for fix be man. What fix be a princess, man? What fix things? Don't worry on yourself. See them people, them they have to ask me to represent them, you know. When the PNP approach me, they give me 8 different seats to choose from. Then show me a map. And them say, I want a seat, I want a seat, I want a seat, I want a seat, I want a seat. I say, I don't want a seat there. I want a seat there. They must say, no, this is a seat, a safe seat. This is a seat, a rare seat. Take their seat. And I say, no, that's where I come from. I don't know them people. The passion and the heart I have to represent them. I now go 100 right there, 100 to begin with. I have to start with the people them when I know and grow. That means if them reject me, I know say politics enough for them. And you know, reject me for reject my sake. Because my life all right. I'm Dr. Andre Haughton, to be honest to you. But when you reject me, it means that you reject yourself. It means that you reject the future what a pitney is supposed to have. It means that you're comfortable with the life you live now and the intimidation why police them are going and the liquor board them are doing nonsense. But I know that I'm not Salem people. Salem people them are the wisest people in Jamaica. Means they're not the wisest people in the world. I read about it in the Bible. A book named Ecclesiastics. Talk about Jerusalem, Mountain, Salem are the same place. And right about you, you never know. Because we don't understand the world and realize that history is a thing that repeats itself. History is a thing that repeats itself. The whole of we have come through slavery, you know. Our grandmother, our great-grandmother, all of them are dead slave. Don't be fooled by the position we're in. And not our fault. Our system sets so. That's why we make sure so we study hard so we can represent each other. We have a brighter future for people at Mount Salem. Man. But the people at Mount Salem have to want that brighter future for themselves. If you don't want it, it can't go happen. But if you don't want it, we're going to do what is necessary if you want it. At the first, from the know yourself, Salem have a representative in a parliament. Because I'm a senator. My name say, I'm turning a senator. You don't have to bother run for no MP. I still want to run for MP. Because I want to represent Salem people in the best way I can. And make sure I provide all I need them for people them same way. It's going necessary, man. I say I'm Salem alone responsible for. Responsible for Granville, Katrina, Tucker, retirement, all about. Princess, when I speak, next week at Granville. And then we go Spring Garden. Life is a thing where we have to understand. And everything at me in a timing. Everything at me in a timing. And there's no greater time than the present. Salem will never be given an opportunity like this throughout a lifetime. And my responsibility is to make sure that young people from Mount Salem become greater than I am. My responsibility is to make sure say young people them who see a brighter future, who go through so much work and training program and can't find a job, get a job. What of you say? I come and Salem every day, everybody see me sheets, so I go and I want this, I want that, I want that, I want this, that. When we want to get so much money from mind so much people, that don't make no sense. So I'm showing our thing. We're going to restructure the economy. And how my job work, I have to show people how to live. So I say them, all right, 5 people live in our house. See, because Salem our house. Each person in our house a cook for themselves. Because they're selfish. So they cook for themselves. How much plate of food they get? 1. Because they cook for themselves. They're selfish. Now, imagine if you don't cook for yourself, but you cook for everybody else in our house. Imagine you don't cook for yourself, but you cook for everybody in our house. Even though you don't cook for yourself, a 4 plate of food you end up with. So the point is, selfishness reduce the returns what we get out of life. Sharing, flip-flop, double up, triple up the returns what we get in our life. We're going to bring back Mount Salem to a sharing economy. We're going to bring back Tucker and Irwin to a sharing economy. An economy where young people feel welcome. An economy with resources. You not just get training and then go here and go sit down. Come make a train you. And then train all these heap of people and you still can't get no work. It don't make no sense. We go make sure say we provide the work for you. We have a brand name scarce commodity. We use and fight for ganja legalization in Jamaica. I don't know if you don't see it. Or on yourself, man. Ganja a big business. How much of a million, how much of a billion I make out of ganja. My job is to make sure that Salem people, the people of Montego Bay, make a money out of ganja. Ganja is not only about the smoking, or the flowers itself, or the buds. Enough other things surround ganja. Clear's Commodities is a clothing line. I hope I Salem one carry the Scarce factory. That means that when people there in England and say Scarce Commodity, they know made in Mount Salem. People there in China, they say Scarce Commodity, made in Mount Salem. People there in England, they say made in Mount Salem. People there in Canada, made in Mount Salem. Because Mount Salem is the home of Scarce Commodity. I can't come with enough gimmicks, man. Enough mimicking and anything. But tonight too serious. I have to make Salem people them realize say we can achieve so much more if we come together as a people. And we have to come together. Remember, we not live for ourselves. We are live for young people. We are live for my youth them, your youth them, all of the youth them straight through Salem. See there, Center School me go. And I left Center School 1988 when Gilbert blow. And from Salem School, up to now the place not improve. When I go foreign some place and then where they are state-of-the-art community center, flat screen on the TV. The man them did they teach you them rocket science, how to fly plane, how to build space shuttle. At that we are bring come a Salem. Salem people them are rocket scientists. Salem people them come to change the world. And my job is to empower Salem people, to make them know say them as value to the world. Now for this I'll take a time for you to understand what I go on, man. But I know, man, because people complain to me. People complain to me they don't have work. Them complain to me the youth them want money for go to school. Them complain to me they want a skill. Them complain to me they don't have no opportunity. Opportunities are scarce commodity. That's why we come and Salem with it first. But we ain't a power yet, so we're going to need an assistance. We're going to power. We ain't a power yet, so we're going to need an assistance. We put only in a power. Salem never give itself a chance. Salem never give itself the opportunity The entire Montego Bay come from Mount Salem, which means that Mount Salem is the home. Mount Salem, my birthplace. Originally, man, I don't know a thing of Salem people, man. I don't have to ask 2 times or talk 2 times. Everybody are here. Born at Salem. Everybody are here. Born at Salem. I never vote yet, you know. I never vote yet from a born, because I never yet interested in politics. I ain't like the whole idea. I done there Salem and grow along as the politics not do nothing for me, man. And when me not do nothing for me, I don't talk, I beg a politician and give me $1,000 or $5,000 or $10,000. What that can do for me? Me I talk about a politician and show me a way where I can create a sustainable business. So me now can give a man $1,000, give a man $5,000. And even a politician can check me and say, dog, you set me thing good, so want $10,000. I saw Salem off a run. I saw Salem off a run. When you go see me, because I come and hold on the yard. We walk out most of the place to them more they come. You know a big constituency stretch go way down a great river. So them people they never know sheets than nothing. Me have to go down and go check them. So I don't want to see them people, them a fret, man. Remember saying, man, if I dare see them every day, it means I turn work listener, man. You don't want that. You don't want to see me out in the world and make a name for Salem. Because so Salem get it respect. Me there Afghanistan. I say, Dr. Jamaica, where are you from? Because so they call me. I'm from a place near Mount Salem. I left out Salem youth. My brethren them say, after we get PhD and start do something, man, say, youth, don't go up on profile because they won't feel say you get to youth and you now get no opportunity. They won't look by your way. I say, no mad, man. I have to make a youth them know say me I get to youth. So when they look by me and what they feel say me achieve, them themselves can achieve it too. Because all of we come from the same circumstance.
This is not moving, you know? Watch out. Cause it a cut me now and take my strength down. Man would have bleed momentum. Bang down the board outside to the fence down. One team out me no bench now. Father God, my might not be the best son. But the best come from the worst, me never yet run. Them have to carry me in the earth before me step down. If you never bad with it, run against some.
Selector. I'm sure nothing. Enough me go through same man. I don't want to feel like we don't know in a year. I just trying to know say Salem people and everything good for talk, man. You see me? Remember say I could have end up anywhere same like everyone same me. But me have Salem in the back of my mind. Me have Salem in the back of my mind. Me I think about create a community where we live in a peace and harmony. Me I think about creating a community where we have state-of-the-art facilities. Where me say, me I think about create a community where the world look up on what we call a smart city. Where everybody understand how to use computer. Every youth understand how to fly a plane. Every youth understand about spaceship. Every youth understand everything about where life is from and where exactly we are going as a people. And we have to go there collectively. I can't stand up and talk for you all night. I don't know a thing going anywhere. Salem in my heart, man. Salem in my heart. Salem in my heart. Salem people, do not bet against yourself and lose. Bet for yourself and win. Big up on yourself 100%. See? 100.